it's nice to see how people start thinking. You know, in the time we are living, it's a lot of new things, and we are not in the same time. You know, and we should focus on the future, where we don't know what will happen tomorrow and how the world will change. So that's perfect time to speak with other colleagues from different industry and see what is going on the market, which kind of issue they are dealing with, and how we can help them in general. There is not so many good conferences where we can visit in personal this year. The situation is changed, so it's great opportunity to meet in Prague and see what is going on in our region, in our country, in our industry where we are working.